Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Hwang In-yeop and Kim Yoo-jung fortune harmony analysis. An application has been received for a fortune analysis between Hwang In-yeop and Kim Yoo-jung. Their fortune is a wonderful structure. It was a wonderful structure that could do its part well. What about the fortune harmony? Let's analyze it together. Hwang In-yeop is a rich land in fortune. Rich land is very realistic and self-managing. Kim Yoo-jung is a candor in her fortune. Candors are warm-hearted, very delicate, and thoughtful, and they have letters that mean popularity. That's cool. Hwang In-yeop has very powerful energies in his fortune. As many as 4 letters are the letters that mean themselves. He will be confident and driven. And what he's trying to do is a fortune that has the potential to be fulfilled. The other 2 letters correspond to input energy and art. There is no need for input energy because it is in the middle of energy. So there will be some rejection of input energy. In other words, input energy corresponds to academic acquisition, model, documentation, writing, etc. And there will be some rejection of this field. However, Hwang In-yeop's powerful energy is well located into the letters that mean art. Currently, there is also energy equivalent to wealth, and energy outflows are occurring well with art and wealth. He's having good time. The structure that leads to art and wealth is often seen by celebrities and businessmen. And although it is not originally in fortune, the energy that means wealth and women comes from love. Kim Yoo-jung has a very good flow of energy that leads to art, wealth, and honor. It's a good structure as a celebrity, but there are 2 collisions in the fortune. There is psychological instability and sensitivity. However, if she serves these parts well as acting, in reality, there is a principle in fortune that reduces the likelihood of problems. She looks good in acting, that makes her feel sad. But I think the sensitivity of fortune is expressed well with good acting skills. Kim Yoo-jung is somewhat sensitive and her argument is somewhat weak. Hwang In-yeop has a relaxed mind with good energy inflow and outflow. However, Hwang In-yeop is a very powerful fortune with strong his own argument. Therefore, I will give them 85% by cutting the score a little bit. Please improve and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.